Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new supplier on Bokio accounting software. To add a new supplier, we need to go to Suppliers and Purchases section, and there is a subsection called Suppliers. From here, click on blue button called New Supplier, and now we need to fill in details. This is simple contact card, not a lot of to fill in. So start from top, name, I have Tech Limited. If this business is registered with Companies House, you can click on Get Company Information, and available details on Companies House like address and company registration number as well as VAT number will be automatically filled in these fields. But I will show you how you can do it manually. Now we need to add a company number as well as VAT number. Add the address details, postcode, and city. You can also enable e-invoices, so when supplier sends invoice out, you can actually show it as a draft or receive that one as a draft on Bokio accounting software. Activate e-invoice here, and click add supplier. So now Tech has been added here. If I click on it, I can edit supplier, and once invoices will be available, I will be able to check whole list there below. So this is a way how you can add a new supplier on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial as well as review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.